Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable notifications in BandLab. While creating music on BandLab, notifications like comments and collaboration alerts can quickly interrupt your flow, whether you're recording vocals or mixing a track. Turning off customizing notifications help you stay focused and work more efficiently. And this method lets you control exactly what you want to receive. First, open your browser. In the top there's an address bar. Type down bandlab.com and enter it. And after that, you need to go to the profile icon in the top right corner over here. Over here under this profile icon, select to this setting over here. On the left hand side, we can find your profile. On the left hand side, find this notifications here. Under this notifications, we can find this general projects bands. And you need to manually disable the notifications here. You can simply toggle on this icon by clicking on it and simply toggle off the ones that you do not need. And this is the best option if you still want important alerts but without distractions. Managing notifications in BandLab is simple but powerful. By customizing or disabling them, you can create distraction-free environment that helps you focus on what matters the most. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.